Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can get rid of this oiliness on your skin. If you are having the oily skin, then this video and the mask would be helpful for you. So guys, now I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, where I will let you know how these ingredients are beneficial for your skin. And my second part, where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. And my last part, where I will share you the complete procedure, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are starting our first part, where I will let you know about the benefits of the ingredients. The citric acid present in a lemon can help neutralize and control the neutral oil secretion of your skin. Yogurt, on the other hand, contains the lactic acid that acts as a natural cleanser, sloughing of dead skin cells and excess oil that may give rise to acne breakout. Lemon can turn your skin photosensitive. Avoid stepping out in the sun after using the mask or apply it in the evening. These were some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video, where I will share with you the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this mask we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the fresh lemon juice, and number two, we have needed the yogurt. So guys, for the quantity, our first ingredients, fresh lemon juice, we have needed 2 tablespoons, and our second ingredients, yogurt, we have needed 2 tablespoons as well. So guys, these were the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our final part of the video, where I will share with you the process, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is two-step method, and the step one is combine lemon juice and the yogurt. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step one. Number one, take 2 tablespoons of the plain yogurt in a bowl. Number two, add 2 tablespoons of the freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. Number three, use a hand blender to form a consistent paste. So guys, that was our step one. Now we are going to step two, and our step two is apply the face mask once weekly. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do in this step two. Number one, using a face pack brush, apply the paste all over the face, leaving the area around the eye. Number two, leave it on 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse with a warm water. Number three, apply an oil-free and non-comedogenic moisturizer. That was our procedure to make this mask at home, and I gonna suggest you may apply this mask on your skin once a week if you want to get rid of this oily skin. So guys, this was the video for today. Next time I will come with some useful other solutions. Till that time, take care.